Hello everyone, welcome back to Pruitt's Explain. My name is Abigail Pruitt. I'm the oldest of the Pruitt children, and today I'm going to be letting you in on my mechanic expertise. So I have with me here a classic toolbox, as you can see, just like one of your basic ones. It's got some pretty, standard tools in it, and since I am an expert in the field, I figured that I would go through the toolbox and explain to you guys like what each tool is, what it's called, first of all, and what it's used for. So we'll just get started. I know you guys aren't experts. So this one is pretty standard. This is called a hammer. I know this because I've used it many times. Typically, it's used for demolition. So people will take this whenever they need to knock something down, and you just swing it really as hard as you can. So pretty self-explanatory. It's very dangerous. So be careful with that one. So next we have this one. It's got a button on it, and it's a flashlight. Oh my God. So,
oh my eyes!
In case you're doing some serious demolition, this is the thing that you hand to your son, and you say, "Stand right there," and they shine. Oh my goodness! And they shine it where you want it to be shined.
Don't do it again. Don't do it. No,
useful.
Put it back.
And we're done with that one. This doesn't do anything, so this is for decor. Next we have this screwdriver. It goes with this one. And there's actually about 15 of them in here. So these are all different screwdrivers, and what you do with these is if you have a screw that you want something to go into, then you find the one with the matching hat. The matching point part. And they all have different names, like Phillips, stuff like that. They all look different, each one is unique. That's why you have to have at least 10 to give yourself a good variety, because screws come in all different shapes and sizes, so you have to have the proper tools to screw things together. This one is a knife. You use this one when you're opening packages. And tell people they better watch out. Use that for. Next, we have these ones. They are used to grab things.
Oh, grab what?
This, like this.
But what do they grab?
Things that fit in here. If something gets stuck, you can get in there and pull it out. Or
do you know what it's called?
That's what this is. You use it to ply stuff out. Some very useful if you get, for example, a screw stuck. You lost your screwdriver. You can just grab it and pull it out. It's very useful. If you don't have the right screwdriver. So next we have this power tape. What it's called. It's similar to a measuring tape, but it's smaller. Really great for all of your smaller things you're trying to measure whenever you're building your various sheds and decks and things that you might build. So, this is the last thing I'll talk about. These are important. These are really vital.
Do you know what they're called?
They are, this is an accessory that comes in every toolkit. As you can see from the key ring, you're supposed to put it on your keys. I know that this is your toolbox, you haven't been doing this right. You're supposed to put this on your keys to let everyone know that you are a true mechanic, a true builder.
Wow.
It's really a status symbol. So not every toolbox comes with one of these.
I thought you said every toolbox came with them.
Well, I misspoke. Only the top-notch toolboxes come with these. They also double as tools. That's about all I have for you today. Thank you so much for watching. You can come back anytime for any of your school-related needs.